They did not inform me that any written report was given to the police. They only told me that they went to the police and informed them that he was missing. My brother's name is Ansel Morgan.
How old is he?
He's 41 years old.
41.
He has been a missionary of the poor Faith Center.
Faith Center.
Right, and that's located at 6 Law Street.
Which was the one where they
Kingston.
had, which is the one where they had the first rush of COVID cases.
That's correct.
When did he go there?
He has been there since 1996. The decision was taken by the family to have him reside there because he was living with his father before, and his father died in that year. So the decision was taken by the family, being that we didn't have the facilities. His paternal side as well as my mother, they made the decision to have him reside at Missionaries of the Poor.
What condition?
From there. Well, he's mentally retarded.
Okay.
He was born that way. He was born mentally retarded.
Did they say what particular condition? Did they specify? Bipolar disorder or this?
No,
psychosis,
it wasn't
schizophrenia?
No, the mental disorder was not classified. We were only advised that he was mentally retarded, but based upon observation, some would say that he would be classified as autistic because he doesn't speak and he's unable to take care of himself. So he would need attention from persons to assist with his day-to-day upkeep and well-being.
When last did any member of the family see him, visit him, speak to him?
Well, I was the one that would visit him more regularly. I would be that family member that would visit him on a weekly basis. I would try to visit him at least once per week, once a time is available to me. And the last time I would say that I went there was early this year, just before the pandemic would have hit. As soon as we got word that the pandemic was here, cases were here, I was told that they would not be facilitating any visits because of that. So I obliged, and I didn't bother to go out there with my weekly visits to see about him, as well as to assist with other residents that are there as well. Because whenever I go to visit him there, I'm not only tending to him, I tend to other persons that are there as well, assisting them with feedings and things of that nature.
Had you spoken to any official there, any administrator, about their care of him since visitation was denied?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
I have called. As a matter of fact, a couple of days before, I was told, or I was informed that he went missing. I called in and I had asked about his status as it relates to COVID, and they advised me that he tested negative.
Oh, so he was definitely there.
He was definitely there up to probably a couple of days before Tuesday, which was on yesterday, that I was told that he went missing.
Right. So you found out that he was missing on Tuesday of this week?
On Tuesday of this week.
So that's Tuesday, November 10.
Tuesday, November 10th.
Did the officials give you any kind of reason or explanation as to why he's missing?
Right. The brother that is in charge there, he was the one that called me and informed me that he has been missing since Monday. The last time that they saw him was Monday at 6 p.m. was what I was told during the course of the call. And he said to me that he's not sure as to how he would have gone missing because the gates are kept closed, as well as they are not allowed to leave the premises. So he's not sure as to how he would have escaped, or how he would have ventured off the property. what I was told is that they have the property separated based on the status of the residents as relates to COVID. So the area that he would have been in, being that he tested negative for the virus, they showed me a staircase to the side of the building in that area where a gully would have been on the other side of the staircase. And he said to me that the only possible rationale that he could have came up with is that he may have climbed those stairs and he could have fallen off of the staircase and fell in the gully. So he showed me the area. I did not see any signs of any broken branches or any indication to say that someone would have fallen from the staircase. So I'm not sure of what could have happened there, how he could have gone missing. They are unable to tell me the reason for it, and I myself am unable to process the whole thing.
What's the basis of them knowing that he was there up to 6 p.m.? Is it that it goes by somebody's anecdotal recollection of seeing him, or did they have a register?
They didn't specify to me as to, he just advised me that that was the last time that someone saw him on the property. So I can only go by what they would have told me. I'm not sure.
Okay, you talked about the gully. Did they say whether they sent any sort of search team from the facility to check out the gully to see if he was anywhere along it?
Yes, the brother that was in charge told me that he and a few others went into the gully and did some search there.
Okay. Did they make an official report to the police?
An official report?
Yes.
How would you classify an official report?
Well, you'd go to the police and you'd have some paperwork, some official document where you have given a statement, where they have given a statement saying that he is missing, a missing persons report.
A written report is what you're asking?
Yes, basically there would have to be.
No, a written report was not made to the police station.
You asked.
I asked.
And that's what they said.
What I was told is that the brother in charge sent another brother to a police station that is within the vicinity of the center. And what I was told is that the brother went there and informed the police officers that he was missing. They did not inform me that any written report was given to the police. They only told me that they went to the police and informed them that he was missing. To the best of my knowledge, a formal report, a written report, was not given, nor a picture for identification was left with that police station.
All right. Have you made a formal?
I have.
Okay. Which police station?
I did so at Central Police Station.
Okay.
I'm the only sibling that he has on the maternal side. He has a number of other siblings on his paternal side. I wouldn't be able to give you a number on that, but it's quite a few siblings on his father's side.
Capture what's going through your mind now regarding your brother's missing status.
Right now, I'm very worried. I'm very concerned about his safety because, as I mentioned, he's mentally retarded. He's unable to speak. He's not used to being on the streets. He has been a part of the facility since 1996, and that is the only environment that he knows. So the very fact that he's not there and they're unable to account for his safety, we don't know we're not sure of his whereabouts. I'm very concerned, and to be quite honest with you, I'm not sure, how to feel. I just feel numb concerning the whole situation. But the main feeling that I'm having concerning this is just sadness about the whole ordeal, and just feeling extremely concerned and very afraid that, I'm just very concerned and just trying to be hopeful that he's fine.